Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Khairi Aiman bin Muhammad Khomeini. My number matrix 1079. Uh, my partner is Amirul Fidau bin Azri. The number matrix 1132. Today we want to present the topic is safety in workshop. Okay. Uh, Introduction safety in workshop. Safety is a very important aspect and need to be emphasized. All parties must remember and always practice safety measures while working, especially when using machine tools. Next, causes of negligence in the workshop. Human negligence is like not being careful while walking. Uh, Two, use equipment and machinery in a damaged condition. Three, unsafe workplace environments. Four, play while in the workshop. Uh, Five, do not place tools everywhere. And lastly, do not close the machine switch after use.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Amirul Firdaus, number matric number 1132. The effect in workshop is injury of loss of jewelry may occur, and the workshop will be narrow and block the space, and not good with ventilation and insufficient lighting, and there is wastage. The wastage if the machine is not closed. Injury occurred. Injury occurred. Injury occurred if you are not careful when doing work. Flame, flammable, flammable material, sauce and car petrol. Next is a value. Always wear safety equipment such as safety shoes, helmet, glove, jacket. Always clean the work out and rubbish and oil. Always arrange repair tool in the right place. In the box, in the toolbox. Always be careful when using the machine. Begin at work. Do not wear decoration while in the workshop. Always use the equipment the right way and in the correct way to use. Gahimu eh. Next conclusion, the responsible attitude of employer and employers can reduce relax in the workplace. More of the rise the eggs in the workplace system from the employer overly profit oriented attitude. Under XT 514, risk in the workplace come from the employer himself. Employer need to be more responsible for the safety of the safety their employers.